Marina of Ameripharma here at the Health and Wellness Expo. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, thank you for coming.
So tell me a little bit about Ameripharma and what you guys do.
Sure. We're a full-service pharmacy in Orange, so we're very close to you guys. And we're here today to introduce the MedBox. And it's a packaging system, kind of, you could say. So what we do is we organize your pills. The number one question we're getting today is how much more does it cost? And I have to keep saying it doesn't cost any more than whatever your copay is. Whatever you're using, whatever company you're using right now, CVS, Walgreens, even Kaiser, yes, we take Kaiser. They, whatever copay is, you just pay us, and what we do is we package it for you this way instead of all these bottles. So instead of opening your 3 bottles every morning and taking the pills out, you got all 3 in your 9 a.m. baggie. You just grab that and go to breakfast. Done.
That's great. And it's also better than having those trays too, right?
Yes, a lot of families get worried if, oh, mom forgot to take their med, and they have to come every week and put it on the Monday through Sunday pill boxes. No more. My dad uses it, and I don't have to worry about that anymore.
Oh, that's excellent. Well, you've obviously done a good job of showing people what to do here, and that you've already knew what their number one question was.
Yes.
What are some other things you'd like to tell the community?
It's really good to be here. It's a very nice property. Maybe I'll retire here someday too.
And you'll join living here and using your med box.
Yes, I will. So stop by. We got a lot of giveaways to sign up, and we look forward to helping you guys out.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Bye.